What we make is changing the way we live and the spaces we live in. One substance is at the heart of this progress, and it's the most widely used metal on Earth. At Emirates Steel, we are driving this progress. We are part of the largest industrial group in the Emirates, and we are working hard to maximize the potential of this amazing metal. At Emirates Steel, we are investing in cutting-edge technology and increasing capacity to meet the needs of our nation and beyond. Steel is everywhere. Lustrous, strong, and versatile. It touches every aspect of our lives, building our cities, supporting our industries, and diversifying our economy. We're a progressive, growing company, thinking about the long term, supporting the UAE Vision 2021, attracting great people, and helping them achieve their potential. Steel goes into so many things. The smallest screw, and the largest vessel. We make so many things possible, from the smartest computers to the tallest skyscrapers. At Emirates Steel, we think sustainably, carefully managing our impact, and making sure all our employees stay safe and healthy. We are accelerating a thriving industrial sector, feeding national growth and a higher quality of life, helping create a world that's beautiful, inspiring, connected, and safe. Our products are changing the face of the UAE and beyond. We are Emirates Steel. We are shaping the future.